Hello everybody. We're here in Amsterdam at the ISE 2020. We're in Hall 5 at the NEC booth, and my name is Niels Karsten. I am the Strategic Alliance Manager within NEC Display Solutions Europe. Now, what we see here is a solution that Crestron has built for their NVX ecosystem. Very, very powerful streaming capabilities. You can stream anywhere, anytime, within just 1 gigabit network. It's pixel perfect and delivers amazing picture quality. What you see here is an NEC display that has a OPS D80 from Crestron integrated within the display. It picks up the NVX stream, and you can see the quality is streamed over any network. Very, very good quality. We're very excited about having this. You can see here some of the feature sets. You can do 4K, 60 frames per second. So very, very good solution. This is actually a picture of the OPS, the D80. So for more information, feel free to go to the Crestron website, also to the NEC website to find out more information. Thank you so much for watching this video.